In this section we start easy. We start with the basics. First of all, we need to install N8N. We do it locally via Node.js. You can also use Docker if you want. I also want to show you how you can update your N8N instance locally and how you can start in the cloud. And of course you can start in the cloud also for free. But more on hosting later. You can also do self-hosting, but we need to do this step by step. As soon as everything is installed and ready, we start with our first automation. We make a really simple automation. Nothing with AI. It's a hard-coded automation. We can make our own form submission, and every submission that comes through will be automatically saved in Airtable. Then I also want to show you how you can export and import files. You can simply copy my workflow, simply import it in your instance and they are ready to rock, but generally speaking, it's better to build this out yourself because the goal is of course to learn. I also want to show you where you find other workflows and where you can sell your own workflows as soon as you are a pro. In the automation after this, I want to show you how we can use a time trigger. This time trigger will basically look every single minute in Airtable, pass the data from Airtable to a node that converts our files into a text file, and this text file will get saved locally on our machine. I just want to show you how you can pass data around. You can convert data into HTML, into CSVs, into text, into whatever, and you can also save stuff locally. This is not a practical automation. This is just so that you learn how to pass data and how to use the time triggers, because this time trigger will get executed every single minute all day long as this is active. Then we talk about the Google Cloud Console, because you need to understand the Google Cloud Console, especially if you work locally. We will connect Google Sheets with N8N. If you work over the cloud, it's a lot easier. And we will basically create this workflow in order to create new Google Sheets in your Google account. So basically the things that we do right here are relatively easy. We just need to make some API keys, and that's basically it. See you in the next video as soon as we start to install N8N in Node.js.